Today I show you an unboxing of a remote control for an aircon, for my aircon, and this is the model number GZ01 BEJO BEJO-000. This is the remote control model, and this is going to replace the remote control that we already have. Okay, so it looks okay. Okay, that's the remote control, and I bought this online, and it's a replacement part. It's a third-party replacement part for the remote control of the aircon, and this is brand new. And it actually looks the same as the old remote, just not as yellow as the old remote, and it doesn't show Daewoo because it's probably made for multiple brands, and that's how they look like. That's the model number on this one. For this remote there is no model number. I found a replacement remote by using Google. I found the replacement remote for this original one. You see the LCD is leaking, and I tried to repair it, but it's really not working. And actually the remote still works. You can still use the aircon. I'll show you now. I'll show you a picture how when I power on the aircon with the old remote and I power it off, and then I power on the aircon with the new remote and I power it off also. So they will just work as they are. I hope, at least. While I'm recording this, I don't really know for sure if it's gonna work, but I guess you will see. So if they're working, that's pretty good. If they're not working, I would just try to return it. The weight of the new remote seems a bit lighter, but that's because it doesn't have batteries. So if I install the batteries in the remote, it's a bit difficult to open this. Come on. Okay, so this is the battery compartment here, and try not to drop everything. So when I insert the battery, you see this, the LCD has the older display, and when I power it on, it will show. The display looks a little bit different than the previous one. Operation mode, yeah. So yeah, you can adjust the temperature, everything works. And it's also infrared, just like the old one, but I have to see if it works. The biggest problem for me was to find the actual replacement remote, and I used Google Lens. I took a picture of the old remote as it is, and Google Lens found a few sellers online selling this remote. Google Lens found a few sellers online selling these replacement remotes, and yeah, this is the remote I got. That's it. I hope this helps you. If you have a problem with your aircon remote, it's really not worth changing the LCD. Like if you have leaks like this, the LCD is leaked, you simply replace the remote. It's really much easier, cheaper, and also nicer. The remote looks like new now. Thanks for watching.